Today I will present you to draw an AutoCAD 2D drawing with simplest draw method. This is the tutorial number 3. Before we start this drawing, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This channel will daily upload AutoCAD drawing, Autodesk Inventor tutorials and other mechanical engineering knowledges. Let's start the drawing. This drawing will be drawn with circle, offset, copy, move and mirror commands. Firstly, we need to check units. Type UN for the unit command. Select decimal for type. Precision is 0.00. Unit is millimeters. Then click OK. Firstly, we need to draw the basic sketch of the drawing. So draw the outer circle first. Type C for circle command. Radius is 25. And then type CP for copy. Choose the base point to center. We will copy the circle to the left. The required distance is 130 millimeters. And then copy both circles to up. The distance is 65 from the dimensions. Use the line command. Connect the line to these circles. Type TR to use trim command. Trim the unnecessary parts. Now you will get the drawing basic sketch. Now we will draw circles inside the drawing. Type C for circles. Choose the center point. The required radius is 10. Use copy command to copy that circle. Copy distance is 65. Type EMI for mirror command. Mirror these circles to left. We need the reference line to copy the circles. So pick the line. Choose No in Erase Source Objects. Use line command to make a center line reference. Just connect the midpoints. Now we will draw the big center hole of the drawing. Use circle command. Type D for the diameter. Diameter is 75. To draw this hole, we need the other reference lines and circle. I will show you the method. Use line and connect the circles. Draw a circle at the midpoint. The radius is 10. Type line command. Connect to the center hole. Clear unnecessary parts using trim command and erase command. Now you can easily mirror these objects to opposite. Select Object. Enter. Specify first and second point to mirror objects. Choose No in Erase Source Objects. Trim the parts. Finally, we need to draw the key line. Use the Offset command. Input 10 for offset to the right, and then click that offset to the left. Type REC for rectangle command. Specify the corner point to intersection of the lines. Input X length is 20 and Y length is 10. Clear by using trim command. Use mirror command. Mirror the key line. Erase the center line due to it is just a reference. Now you will get the complete drawing. I will teach and guide you to draw an AutoCAD drawing using simple and fast methods in the following tutorial videos. See you in next.